For about 30 years, I just thought you were supposed to hate your job, and that a job meant going somewhere day after day, week after week, year after year, with a little fun thrown in whenever you're lucky enough to get some time off. Now, I'm a flight attendant, and I get paid to do what other people pay to do. So come with me as I live it, love it, and share why being a flight attendant is in my DNA. So, we've got 36 hours to kill on a layover in Saskatoon. What would you do? What I love about layovers is that it kinda lets you pause real life. On the road, there's no bills to pay, gas to pump, chores, partners, dogs to walk. I mean, they still exist, but you can't do much about them, so it's a golden ticket, a clean slate, where the only demands on your time are the ones you set for yourself. So on this layover, I'll answer a couple of cooking questions that I got after my lunch bag video, and then we'll go out and explore downtown Saskatoon and see what cool things we can find to do. For me, the magic of cooking on the road is all in the pre-planning and the gear. Hopefully, you've seen my video of how I get 12 meals easily in this bag. Some of you were curious as to how I prepare them once I'm actually on the road. All of my fun little toys and gadgets are featured in my lunch bag video. In my last layover video, you'll see how some layovers I have a full kitchen in my hotel room. This layover, I'll show you how I cook my meals with only a microwave, and what I do on those rare occasions when I don't even have a microwave. This is pretty straightforward. I cut open my vacuum sealed food and I nuke them. Like I said, the hard work is all in the meal prep and the planning. Like remembering buffalo sauce for your wings. And butter for your vegetables. Sour cream for the potatoes. It's these little things that just make it all come together so perfectly for a great little meal. Even though I have a microwave on this layover, I'll make my meal as if I don't. All I'm gonna need is a container and my travel kettle, which is always in my suitcase. This is some instant gravy powder in a hotel cup. All my food is vacuum sealed, so it's leak-proof and waterproof. I just put it all in my Pyrex bowl, fill it with a kettle of boiling water, and I cover it. I make a second kettle, use a little bit of it to make the gravy. Then I sort of mix up, stir up my food. Add a second kettle. Depending on how cold or frozen your food is, it may take several kettles to get it hot enough. But this works every time without fail. For the second half of our video, let's get out of our hotel room. It's a nice spring day for Saskatoon, and on multiple lists of things to do in Saskatoon, the Ramey Modern Art Gallery kept coming up. It's close to our hotel, so let's check it out. Met these two friends along the way. Beautiful but shocking. Bunnies in Toronto are these cute little things, but these white-tailed jackrabbits were the size of dogs. And here's the Ramey Modern. Beautiful, brand new building. I'm no art expert or a critic, so I'm going to let the art do the talking, for now. As I focus on a few of my favorites, I will highlight the artists for credit. Also, I'll leave links for the Ramey Modern in the description, and hopefully you can come and experience it for yourself. In a couple of the galleries, the art was interactive. What I do know about art is that it's supposed to make you feel something. And my day at the Ramey Modern made me feel intrigued, confused, upset, inspired, playful. But at the end of the day, I left there happy. Happy to have had a unique, fun experience all while at work, doing a job I love and sharing it with you. Thanks as always for watching. Please click the clicks and leave me a comment.